What a nice morning to begin our final day to Stornoway today on the Hebridean Way. Also, I've just realised I was calling yesterday the penultimate day, when really today is the penultimate day. But I'll fill you in on that at a later date. Cheers. Bye, wee Larkin. It's been fun. Left the lock, and this is it. We're in Acha now, and from here it is tarmac, supposedly, all the way to Stornoway and Lews Castle. Plenty to chat about today. It's about 8.5, 9 miles. Although this sign says 9.5, which is correct. Google or the sign? Not sure. Man, look at that. Isn't that just stunning? And then coming around here, the mountains and the hills.
This final leg to Stornoway stretched out ahead of me like an open book full of stories. I passed yet more peat beds, hinting at the oncome of winter, and many varied and colourful sheelings, little huts traditionally used during the summer by women and children who brought cattle to graze on the young heather and thin grasses. I love them, each one unique and speaking of its own history.
Four and a half miles to go. Mary Bank. Well, this is it. Entering into the Lews Castle estate. Lots of forests and grounds here to explore. Proper woodland. Happy days. There's loads to see and do here. Different historical buildings and woodland walks. And the key word in that is woodlands. We've done enough walking, but we haven't had many woodlands. So it just feels really nice to be surrounded by these deciduous native trees. I mean, there's beech, there's birch, there's oak, maple. Oh, the feeling, man, the feeling. Very special. Is that it? Is that the castle? Geez, I'm really starting to feel excited now. I think this is the castle. Let's take a closer look. Wow, it is an impressive building. Well, this is it. This is Lews Castle. This is where many people end their Hebridean Way adventure. Here in the town of Stornoway, originally founded by the Vikings. And this castle dates to the mid-1800s. Man, I'm feeling quite relieved to be here, I'm not gonna lie. That is my overwhelming emotion right now. I've made it to Lews Castle. Whoosh, what a way that this has been. I don't have a grand finishing speech because I'm not done yet. As I've mentioned, I am going to the Butt of Lewis. But it's quite powerful knowing that this is the end for many people. Overlooking the harbour. What a building. What a place. Alright, I've had some coffee and I had a massive portion of chips. Life is feeling good right now. And I'm really just enjoying the vibes of this place. It feels like there's lots of nice little walks. Anyone fancy a walk? Oh, what to do after you finish a big walk? Go for a little walk, of course. No, I'm just coming down to the woodland centre because I can see it. There is a Hebridean Way sign down here, which is absolutely essential to get a snap with. There it is, Hebridean Way. Ah, I never thought I'd be so comforted by a piece of metal. That feels good, I tell you that. 155 miles, bish bash bosh.